Expected to reconvene at about 12:20 p.m. We can expect a ruckus, at least as far as the reactions that we have got so far from the Samajwadi Party and the Congress. Let's listen in to what really the strategy is going to be to corner Mayawati government.
समाजवादी पार्टी ने नियमों के अंतर्गत नियम 275 के अंतर्गत सरकार के खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव दिया और नियमों में ये बाध्यता है कि जिस दिन भी अविश्वास प्रस्ताव दिया जाएगा माननीय अध्यक्ष जी सबसे पहले उसको सुनेंगे और सुनने का तात्पर्य सिर्फ यह है कि वो एक चीज टेस्ट करेंगे कि सदन में 1/5 सदस्य कुल संख्या के 1/5 सदस्य उसके पक्ष में है या नहीं है और इसके बाद वो इसकी चर्चा के लिए कोई तिथि तय करेंगे.
Right, we have Madhav Das joining us live from Lucknow. Madhav, give us a sense of what really we can expect once the assembly reconvenes at 12:20.
Well, lots of ifs and buts at this point of time. Certainly, of course, we saw what had happened when the assembly convened earlier on in the day today. Quite clearly, what the Samajwadi Party is asking for is for a no-confidence motion to be moved under Rule 274, and of course, saying that as far as the numbers are concerned, as far as the strength is concerned, if 1/5 of the members are ready for that, then certainly the Speaker will have to hear the matter at the time that the notice is given. Now, support coming in the sense that the BJP also saying that they would also be giving a notice separately as far as the no confidence motion is concerned, and the Congress of course not coming out openly to support this no confidence motion that has been moved by the Samajwadi Party, but in fact saying that if a secular party does come out and give a notice, then it would in fact back it up. So really all eyes will be on what is happening as far as the opposition is concerned. As far as the government is concerned, of course, the first place, of course, Mayawati trying, of course, to move a resolution as far as the division of the state of Uttar Pradesh into 4 parts is concerned. Really, of course, what would happen on the floor of the House would all depend now really on what kind of decision the Speaker takes, whether he chooses to accept what the government itself is trying to move and has announced so publicly last week, or whether it will choose to take into cognizance really the notice that has been given by the opposition. So really all eyes will be on what the Speaker will be doing once assembly does convene.
Right, Madhav, what really has become of the opposition's demand asking for an extension of this 2-day winter session? Because if whatever has happened today in the morning is anything to go by, the 2-day winter session could just end up being a formality.
Absolutely. In fact, that is really what the opposition parties are saying, that as far as they are concerned, they believe that this is a very short time period, and they do want that all matters that are really expected to come up in the House should be discussed, and 2 days being a very short time. But very well, we've been speaking to people off record, and what they say is that this could very well be the very last session of the Mayawati government. Really, of course, we do know how she has been trying to push very publicly for a resolution as far as the division of the state of Uttar Pradesh is concerned, and perhaps in that sense it would seem very difficult that this entire session be extended. However, with several members of the opposition parties like the Samajwadi Party requesting the Speaker as recently as yesterday to extend this particular session, an announcement on whether or not this request has been accepted or denied also yet to come out. So really the role of the Speaker very crucial as far as this particular session is concerned from both the opposition party as well as the government's point of view.
Certainly, Madhav, thanks very much for that.